Hey, Rhode Island, if you routinely arrive to work early and your employer knows about it and you're injured technically before your day starts, will comp cover your benefits? Maybe, maybe not. So I have two cases for you guys to consider. The first one being Lima versus Williams Manufacturing. This is from 1965. It's still good law. And basically, what happened was, in this case, the employee whose workday did not routinely commence until 7 a.m., and also, notwithstanding a rule that the plant prohibited employees from punching in on the clock prior to 6:45 a.m., would routinely arrive to work before 6:45 a.m. This employee's day would typically start at 7 a.m. So on May 31st, 1963, the employee arrived to work as he normally did, long before 6:45. He actually clocked in to the plant at 6:40 a.m. and was making his way towards a table near his workstation with the intention of putting his lunchbox there when he stepped on a bolt on the floor and fell and twisted his knee. The employee would later testify that he did not see the bolt because the lights on the premises had not been turned on yet. That would make sense given that he was there before his workday was supposed to have begun. So, what did the court decide? Well, they decided against the employee in this case and determined that the going and coming rule did not apply. Why? Well, they found that at the time of his injury, the employee was not at a place on the premises where at the particular time he was injured that he had a right to be, or that his employer could have known that he would be and could have taken steps to, turn the lights on or made sure that the area was clean. So again, in this case, he arrives early, clocks in early, falls, and was denied comp benefits. Now I want to fast forward to a second case about 6 years later, Montanaro versus Guilds Metal Products. So back when there was manufacturing in Rhode Island, these cases kept happening. In this case, the employee was a long-time employee of the company, and although her workday did not commence till 8 a.m., she had, during the 3 years preceding her injury, customarily arrived at her job at about 7 in the morning. She would arrive early because she was driven to work by her husband, who had a different work day, and it made sense to drop her off to work, I guess. Routinely, she would arrive at her employee's premises, and she put her handbag down, her thermos bottle, and other personal effects near her workstation. Then, for about 15 to 20 minutes, she would gather materials, which she would use in her workday. And with whatever time remained until 7:55, she would hang out in her supervisor's office, drink coffee, relax, and basically just get ready for the